Today I'm going to show you how to play the guitar riff from Beat It by the late great Michael Jackson. So before we start, note that the guitar in the original recording by Michael Jackson is tuned down half a step, meaning all your strings are flat. So your E becomes an E flat, your A becomes an A flat, your D becomes a D flat, etc. So the whole thing in the recording sounds a half step lower. So right now we're playing in standard tuning, E, A, D, G, B, E. So stay in standard tuning to learn the riff, and then when you're ready to join Michael Jackson, you can tune down half step, right? So start with your left hand in second position. Second position means your first finger hovers over the second fret. So for example, if it was third position, your first finger would hover over the third fret, etc. All right, so second position. Spread your fingers out so that the first finger covers the second fret, second finger covers third fret, third finger covers fourth fret, fourth finger covers fifth fret. Keep your hand in the middle of the neck here, not over top, so that you can spread your fingers out. First note is an open E. Next note is the third fret on the E string. Then the second fret on the fifth string. Then the fifth fret on the fourth string. Second fret on the fourth string, fourth fret, fourth string, second fret, fourth string, then fifth fret, fifth string. All right, so it's open E, third fret, second fret on A string, fifth fret on D string, second fret on D string, fourth fret on D string, second fret, D string, fifth fret, A string, and again, open, 3, 2, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 5. So you want to connect the first bunch of notes really smoothly, and then the last two notes you want staccato, so you want them to be separated. Pop, pop. All right, you do that by playing the note, release your finger, release it again. All right. The second time you play it, you just play the last note once. So I'll play the whole riff for you here. Alright, your right hand, you can start with either a down or an up. I start down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. I think that makes the most sense. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Alright, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. Any questions? Leave them in the comments below. If you find these videos helpful and you appreciate these videos, you can also leave a comment or show some love by giving an upvote. Also, if you have a request, leave it in the comments and I'll get at you. Thanks.